Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Chinese New Year is coming, so Appa is going to start a series of Chinese New Year reunion dish for you all. Today I'm going to steam the fish, but this way of steaming fish is going to give you some very nice prosperity meaning. It is called steamed fish with golden and silver garlic. So you may want to know what is golden and silver garlic. The golden garlic is actually the fried garlic. The silver garlic is actually the raw garlic. So we are going to steam a snapper fish today using fried garlic and also raw garlic. A lot more raw garlic usually will be used for this particular dish. So what we are going to do here is we are going to steam the fish to approximately 90%. Then take it out from your steamer, remove the fishy water, add in the steamed fish sauce together with this is what they call the garlics, and also some garnishing here, and steam it, put it back to the steamer and steam it for another 1 minute. Done. That's how simple it is. So today I have a 500 gram snapper with me here. I butterfly cut so that it's easier to steam. If you don't know how to butterfly cut, just search from YouTube. It's not that difficult. And then I put some 2 pieces of ginger underneath and few pieces of ginger on top of it as well. And I'm going to marinate it with a little bit of salt. After which we are going to send it to our steamer. Alright, so you put it inside your steamer. If you are using a conventional steamer, then make sure your water is boiling before you put it in. And then you're going to steam it for approximately about 10 minutes. So we will let it do its job and we will go back and prepare other things. So now I'm going to very quickly make a very simple steamed fish sauce. We're going to start with 1 bowl of hot water here. And I'm going to turn this into a chicken stock in 2 seconds, which is by adding 1 teaspoon of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia and Singapore online. Now we are going to on the heat it up. Going to give it a bit of oyster sauce, some salt, a bit of light soya sauce, few dashes of my favorite Vietnamese premium fish sauce, a bit of sugar, few dashes of white pepper. Done. What you need to do right now is just to make sure everything is nicely dissolved. And your steamed fish sauce is ready. If you prefer darker color, all you need to do is just to add some dark soya sauce. I'm not adding today. Optional, yeah? There's no rules in Appa kitchen. You can add in a bit of garlic oil or sesame oil. I'm adding a bit of garlic oil here for enhanced flavor. Done. Alright, this is after approximately 9 minutes. I took it out. I removed from the steamer, and I also removed the throw away most of the fishy water. Next thing, you're going to take out the ginger, and we want to put on the raw garlic. This fish is like 90% cooked right now, right? Right, a lot of raw garlic here. As you all know, Appa is a garlic person. And not forgetting our steamed fish sauce. I'm going to put it on as well. You don't want to wash your garlic onto the bottom, yeah? Still maintain the garlic on top. Alright, put the steamed fish water all over. And we're going to put this back into the steamer for another 1 minute. Alright, I have taken out from the steamer and move the fish and the sauce together to another serving plate. As I promised you earlier, after the silver garlic, I'm going to add in some golden garlic as well. Now you know why it is golden and silver. And gold symbolizes prosperity, yeah? You want to give it a bit of red color as well. Nice auspicious color. I'm using chili padi. And not forgetting some fresh coriander. Right, there you go. Here's about very simple but very auspicious steamed fish dish. Golden steamed fish with golden and silver garlic. Yeah. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Happy Chinese New Year to everyone. Bye bye.